Let me show you a new way to lash without the salon using Underlash technology. These lashes are damage-free to your natural lashes and can last up to 7 days. As you can see, I've already done one of my eyes and I'm going to do a step-by-step and show you how I do my other eye. Firstly, you want to grab the curler and you're going to curl your eyelashes. The little comb attached is just going to help separate those lashes to make sure that you don't get any twists in the lashes or kinks. Apply a small amount of the bond. Make sure all of the residue is off the brush. You don't need too much. Don't apply it like a mascara, just a little bit through the lashes. You want to apply a second very thin layer. The bond contains special grade ingredients that dry at a slower rate compared to salon glues. This is the secret ingredient to applying the lashes yourself at home because the bond doesn't dry too fast. I have already cut my lashes into segments. I'm applying the style Mood in size 12, 10 and 14. And if you're not happy with your placement, you can simply take it off, reapply. Make sure you apply the eyelash segment about 1 to 2 millimeters away from the waterline. These lashes are completely weightless. You shouldn't even be able to feel them on your eyes. Okay, you're going to simply fuse them together with your applicator. A little squeeze, and these can be applied by anyone. Obviously, there's a learning curve with them. Every time you do it, you're going to get a little bit better and get a little bit quicker. So you want to grab hold of the seal. And with the seal, you're just going to place it where you place the bond. This is going to dry up any of that stickiness. You just want to keep these lashes dry for the next 24 hours.